I have cold approached hundreds of girls, and here's the one thing that I have learned in all my cold approaches. I have so much abundance in my dating life that a normal person can't even get to that level. That happened because I've mastered some skills, and I'm gonna teach you those skills today in this video. These skills are a huge skills. There's a huge things I have learned, and I'm going to teach you everything on this channel. So keep watching my channel, and I'm going to give you one lesson that helped me get lots of attraction of girls. Myself Arman, and I'm going to help you build attraction with women and get a girlfriend in your life. I have built attraction with lots and lots of girls. I don't remember the names of the girls because there are so many girls with whom I have options. So I have a lot of options. I think most men don't even have that much of options. They have just one or two girls to whom they're talking. But me, I have 50 plus girls with whom I can get into a relationship. But I'm not getting in the relationship right now because I don't think that any girl really matches my vibe. It's all about vibe. It's all about the frequency. Because if a relationship is bad, it's gonna take a lot of your time. It's gonna consume a lot of your time. So beware of that thing. Have relationship with a girl who really helps you in your goals, who really helps you, who really is a type of the girl you want. Don't get a relationship too soon in your life. Don't get a relationship with any girl you meet. Qualify that girl. So I'm not in a relationship right now, but yeah, I have a lot of abundance. I can date girls, I can have casual relationships, I can do lots of things, but I don't have casual relationships either because they take away your lot of energy. So I'm quite of a clean guy. I but I have an abundance in my dating life. I can choose whom I want to date. I can go and talk to a girl who is my type. So I'm gonna teach you everything on this channel. You need to worry about nothing. Just keep listening to my advices. Stay focused on this video, and I'm gonna tell you every single thing. I'm gonna make you a god in the dating. I'm gonna make you an alpha male in the dating life. So listen to me extremely carefully. So one lesson I'm gonna tell you is that be direct, bro. You have to be direct with a girl. One mistake that 99% of men do is they stay so much of they don't show their true intentions to a girl. For example, you want to date a girl, you go out there, you cold approach a girl, you see she's a beautiful girl, you go and talk to her, cold approach her, you get her number, and when you're chatting with her, you don't show your clear intentions. You don't show that you want to date her. You don't flirt with her. She has no proof that you want to date her. So what she thinks? She thinks that this guy is a just a friend guy. So she puts you in the just a friend zone. And that is the worst thing that can happen to a man, because when you are in the friend zone, it's extremely difficult to get into the boyfriend zone. So from first conversation, you need to clear things out. You need to have clear things that I want to date you. I don't want to be friends. Men think that if they stay friends with a girl for so long, maybe one day when she's single, maybe one day when there's a perfect moment, the girl will date them or they will propose her and she will accept the proposal. No, that never happens. That rarely happens. If a girl really wants to date you, she will show in the first conversation that she is interested. If no, if she just wants to keep you as a friend, then you're gonna stay a friend for your whole life. And now you're gonna say there are exceptions. Yes, there are exceptions. It's your option, bro. You're gonna stay with the girl, stay a friend with the girl for 6 months, and then maybe there's a 1% chance she can be your girlfriend. But I don't want to live that life. That is a pathetic life that you will live. I want a life where I'm cold approaching, I'm talking to lots of girls, and I have options. And I clear from the first conversation that girl, I wanna date you. I'm not your friend. If you wanna keep me friends, that no, I'm leaving right now. I can't be friends with you. Because what's gonna happen if you stay friend with a girl? You're gonna waste lots and lots and lots of your time. You're gonna get no clear signals from the girl. The girl is gonna use you as an emotional validation tool, and that is the life of 95% of the male. They're just friends with a girl and they think maybe one day I'm gonna make her my girlfriend, and that really happens, bro. That really happens, honestly, I'm telling you. And you want to be a man, keep your intentions clear. Don't fear from the rejection. The fear of the rejection is what drives most of the men. They think that if I said her, if I kept my intentions clear, if I flirted with her, then she's gonna leave me. then what, bro? Let her leave. She's not built for you. There are sometimes I think about this thing that I cold approach like thousands and hundreds of girls, but I just need one girl. I just need one girlfriend in my life. I don't need all these girls. I just need one of them. And the one of them needs to be perfect. She needs to be my type. She needs to be the best girl that I want. Because getting a girlfriend, getting in a relationship, getting married is the biggest and the most important decision of your life. If you're not prepared for this decision, if you're gonna randomly marry any girl your parents bring you, if you're gonna get into arranged marriage, any girl your parents brings you, I will marry that girl. No, you're gonna fall in your life because arranged marriage is not a thing right now. The world is changing so fast. The girls are changing, the boys are changing, everything is changing, and you can't really trust someone in arranged marriage. So you need to develop that skills inside of yours. You need to get abundant in your dating life. Arranged marriage is really not a thing right now. It was a good thing back in 10, 20 years, but not right now because you don't know the past of the girl. Today the Gen Zs, they are very open nowadays. People are very open, and you don't know what is the past of a girl, how many relationships she had, how much trauma she had in her mind. So first you need to know a girl very carefully. You need to spend time with her, and that is why arranged marriages don't work nowadays. Yes, some of them work, but many of them fail also, and you need to compromise somewhere in the arranged marriage. So you, if you are right now not at the age of marriage, you need to build that abundance in your life. You need to go and talk to girls. From that girls you can really choose which girl you want to date in your life. And keep your intentions clear, bro. From the first moment, tell her that I am going to flirt with you. I'm going to not be just friends with you. The best thing to show your intentions is start flirting from the first moment. The moment you meet her, start flirting, start complimenting her, start saying something, flirty to her, because she's gonna know inside that this man wants to flirt with me. So what does flirt means? Flirt means he wants to get in a relationship with me. So from the first moment, keep it clear. We are not friends. I don't like those guys who just stay friends with that girl. I don't like people who are just friends with a girl. Single man can never be friends with a girl because a man who stays friends with a girl, he just wants to make a girlfriend. One day or the other day, he's gonna develop that feelings for that girl. And once you develop that feelings, you gonna think that I want her to make my girlfriend. And what the girl's gonna do? You propose her. When you propose her, she's gonna reject you. So never stay friends with a girl, bro. I don't understand why men make friends with girls. I mean, what value are you getting from a girl? You're just talking with her about your feelings. You're talking with her what happened in your life. Yeah, today I eat some pizzas. Yeah, today I had this. I don't talk none of that shit. I don't have no female friends. Yeah, I talk to everyone. I'm a social person. I have friends. I have good female friends. But I don't have a best female friend. What is best friend, bro? Shut up. Be a man, either have a girlfriend or have male friends. You don't need to have female best friends. If you are the person who has female friends, that leave that girls, bro. Leave them. Because that girls are finding validations from you. You're just talking with them and you're their emotional support. You're providing them emotional support. What you're getting in return? You're getting emotional support from the girl. And one thing I'm gonna tell you is that men don't need emotional support. We men, we are fucking hard rocks. We can do, anything, and we just don't feel something in our heart. We have stones of our heart. If you don't have a stone in your chest, if you have a hurt in your chest, then have a stone. You're gonna develop stone in your chest instead of a hurt when you would start to fail in your life, when you will have a breakup, when you will have an emotional burden in your mind. You need to know how to handle things. You don't need to have an emotional outlet in your life. Girls need that. Girls are emotional creature. Men are logical creature. We don't need any girl to talk about our emotions. No, we don't need that. We are men.